Do a little review about these foot pegs that I put on from the Z650. Got rid of the Z900 big weighted clunky rubber foot pegs. Definitely give you more leg room. You wouldn't think a quarter of an inch would matter, but it really does. Especially now with the stock foot pegs that have the rubber grommet on it and the weight. When I'm riding in sneakers and I got sneakers on, it's borderline comfortable. A little cramped, not too bad. But when I put my Alpine Stars mid boot, I wear an Alpine Stars mid boot whenever I can on my bike for protection. The Alpine Stars mid boot, the soles are a little thicker. So with them being a little thicker, raises my feet up a little higher. And so now I feel some cramping in my hips a little bit and my knees. I'm not 20 years old, and I'd be comfortable on a super bike, in the tuck position. That's why I got this naked bike. I wanted to be comfortable. By changing out these foot pegs and now wearing my racing boots that have a little bit more sole, it feels like I'm riding with sneakers on. If you guys ride with race boots and you want to know what it feels like to have different pegs on it, put on some sneakers and sit on it. That's really what it's going to feel like. Now, granted, I guess some boots have different amount of soles, but anyways, I digress. One of the main concerns about going with these aftermarket foot pegs or the non-rubber weighted was vibrations. Feeling vibration through the pegs. That could be very well why they were weighted so heavy and had these big, those big thick rubber pieces on top. But so far, me going 60, around 60 miles an hour, I haven't really noticed any vibrations in my feet. Now, granted, I do have my boots on. They have some extra sole in them. A little bit of it, compared to sneakers. But I have not felt any vibrations. There's no buzzing in my feet, no numbness, no anything in my feet. So now I don't do a lot of highway riding. Now, if I was getting on the highway and cruising at 80 miles an hour, that might be a little different of a story. But I like them. So, like I said, Simple Simon gives them a thumbs up. I would suggest for you guys to get them. If you're looking for a little more leg room, if your legs are a little cramped, man, swapping out some foot pegs is the way to go. Till next time, guys, give me a thumbs up and a like, and I'll be bringing some more videos. Peace.